Thinking of a destination wedding, the owner of Devoted to You Wedding and Events Planning, Carmen Luk, joins us now with some very helpful tips and ideas, all kind of born from your own wedding in Italy 14 years ago.
Yes, well, thanks for having me. Yeah, I was a destination bride, and I've been planning weddings since 2009. So our company focuses on local weddings, but also servicing worldwide. So we're passionate about making our wedding couples' wedding day seamless, and so that they can focus on their time with their friends and family.
Right. So they're not worried about any planning because you actually go with them.
Yes, so being a destination bride myself, learned all the stress, and so I know how to help my couples reduce the stress.
Okay, and you were just back from Hawaii.
Yes,
hence the theme here. So you've got some great ideas for kind of helping the guests along and helping the couple as well.
Yep, absolutely. So what we have on the table here, we start with the welcome bag. So because your guests travel so far for you, it's important to make them feel welcome and taken care of. So we have this cute welcome bag from Bash Boutique and all these little great gifts here. We have like a customized tumbler, you can put your names on it. This is a Turkish towel, where it can be used as a beach towel, but also you can use this as a wrap sarong. Have like visors. We have like the koozies. This emergency kit, like you can put like Advil, like Band-Aid, little things there. Some of the local snacks. So got mangoes, some macadamia nuts, and also you can add some local food and alcohol little bottles to dress up.
Right, and some of these you bring along with you, and others you can pick up locally. Like you can't obviously transport all the little liquor bottles or whatever, but you can pick them up there.
So we customize things that we can bring, and we source things locally to add to the bag.
Okay, all very important that they're flat and packable.
Absolutely, yes.
Okay, and including the sign here. So I love this sign. So this is from the wedding that you just did, where the couple have dogs, and the dogs, because it was in Hawaii, couldn't travel.
Yes.
So you have that sign made up.
Yes, so this is a packable fabric welcome sign, and you can also print the seating chart on it. It's foldable. All you need to do is iron it, steam it, and put it up. So now we have a frame here, but in an outdoor setting, you can hang it on a tree.
Yes, and you think about it's not heavy, so you could even roll it up or something like that.
Yes.
Right. Also want to talk about kind of incorporating the local decor into your own decor.
Yes, so we have these beautiful arrangements from Coco by Covers Couture. So we took the inspiration of Hawaii, and we make these floral decorations with pineapple. So fruits are, big in the tropical, destinations, and we wanted to bring that theme. But also they are less expensive to utilize and to add some add-ons to the table. And these are the LED lights that you can bring with you to dress up, your event.
This is my favorite idea of all. It's a fan, because it's like, if especially you're at a tropical destination, it's going to be very hot. You want the guests to be able to pull up. But the fan is actually part of the wedding program. So it's got on there what's going to happen, and then on the back side it has who is going to get their photos taken in what order.
Yes.
So that's a very smart idea, just giving guests kind of those quick tips of as you cool yourself off, look at who's coming up next and what's going to happen
it's
next.
a good way to keep guests organized as well, and what to expect.
That's great. And when we think about destination weddings, we often don't think about, it could be at a cottage here in Ontario.
Yeah, it can be anywhere more than 2 hours drive, and you have to book accommodations. It's pretty much a destination wedding. It allows your guests to stay spend the whole weekend together, and not just a single day celebration.
If you're planning a destination wedding, how much lead time do you have to give? Because of course you want guests to get their travel time and their itineraries done.
Right. So if you're traveling abroad, I think a minimum of 12 months, advance notice to your guests will be ideal, because everybody have to plan for their vacation, right? And there's also financial commitment to the booking the travel. So the destination chosen is pretty important to whether your guests can commit to.
Right. And what do you think as an event planner and a wedding planner? what's kind of like the ideal number of guests for a destination wedding?
I think between 30 to 50 would be most ideal. Like a lot of the Caribbean like resorts, I think the 30 is the optimal. I mean, more than 30, there's usually additional costs, but it's also easier to manage with like, everyone's logistic, travel, booking a vehicle,
Okay, yeah.
bring everybody around. So 30, it's optimal, but I've seen like average is 50.
Okay, I can imagine more and more couples are probably doing this because of the pandemic and just the more intimate spots. So great ideas here. We'll get your socials up on our website at chch.com/morninglive. Carmen, thanks very much.
Thank you for having me.